Okay, here's the other K-223 box fan I got from Professor Kiwi. This one here I got as a free bonus, along with my 1980 K-223. This one is a 1982 Lakewood Kmart K-223 box fan. This one's kind of beat, and the front grill's kind of broken pretty badly, and both grills are pretty yellowed. I may mainly use this maybe like for a parts fan or maybe an extra fan or something like that. But I did clean it up, blew out the motor and all that, and although the blades on this thing weren't as dirty as the other K-223, this one had a lot of filth in the motor, and thankfully I blew most of it out, or managed to blow most of it out. There could be some kind of stuck on the windings, but probably no big deal. Well, let me kind of show you the grills up close. As you can see, this one's badly broken. I'm going to show you the rest of the fan. Yeah, this is all still on there. I cleaned this up as best I could, but as you can see, it looks pretty beat. And it's got the regular blue metallic sticker. This one's post sparkly sticker. I guess it was this month, May of 1982, that they went from the sparkly sticker to these stickers. So, I guess April of '82 was the last month for the sparkly sticker. So I guess that kind of tells me a little something on the Lakewood timeline. Here's the other side. Go around to the back, view the back. Here's the motor. Another typical Macmillan motor. Okay, now the demonstration. Here's high. Yeah, this one kind of has a bit of a rattle to it. Maybe due to the damaged cage. Medium sun. And low. Yeah, this one kind of has a nice low speed on it too. Right to high. And off. And that one spins sounds pretty nicely too. And this one also has a good startup sound. And I'll give it to you on high. It goes down, and I'll give it to you on low. Okay, now let's start up on low. And that's my 1982 Lakewood Kmart K-223 box fan. Thank you for the fan, Professor Kiwi, along with the other fan. This could be a good parts fan or whatever. Maybe use it to put my first generation blade on if ever my other K-223 is down. Be good for that. And the rest of y'all, thanks for watching, and bye for now.